Hello everybody, عسلامة الناس الكل. Bonjour tout le monde, salut. Ciao ciao a tutti. Now I'm going to talk with you about tonight's tweet meet. MSFT, Microsoft Edu Chat tonight. So, je vais vous parler du tweet meet de ce soir, d'accord? باش نحكي لكم على تويت ميت متاع العشية. ستة متاع العشية بوقت تونس. Hello, how are you everybody? Vi parlerò oggi del tweet meet di stasera. I'm going to speak in different languages. I'm going to try to help you to figure it out how to do it. باش نحاول نعاونكم كيفاش باش تعملوه الحكاية. Hello Fatma, hello Halima, hello Jihan, hello everybody. عسلامة الناس الكل. تعرف مزروبة طيب الفطور. خليها ما بيناتنا هذه. So, ciao a tutti ancora una volta. Vi parlerò come partecipare nel tweet meet MSFT Edu Chat di questa sera. So, Microsoft EduChat. I'm going to show you how to do it. Tonight it's going to happen 6 p.m. Tunisia time, 7 p.m. Paris time, Rome time. Ok? Donc, le tweet meet de ce soir, c'est à propos des... bon. Allons-y. Le tweet meet de ce soir, c'est 6 heures heure du Tunis, 7 heures Paris, Rome, et puis 7 heures, je crois, heure de l'Égypte. 7 مساء بتوقيت مصر. نخاف لا أصدقائي المسارة يتغشوا عليا. سامي, hello Sami, عسلامة. Il tweet meet di questa sera sarà alle 7 del pomeriggio di pomeriggio. So how are you going to do that? First, it's about what? Premièrement, c'est à propos de quoi? Ça y est. I don't know which language I'm going to speak right now. الاجتماع هذايا على تويتر، على شبكة تويتر، باش نحاولوا نحكيو فيه كيفاش نعلموا الصغار ولا ندخلوا تعليم اهداف التنميه المستدامه في الدروس نتاعنا، في الكوريكولوم نتاعنا، معناها في البرنامج l'officiel. Donc ce tweet meet sera consacré pour l'enseignement des objectifs du développement durable. Il tweet meet di questa sera sarà a proposito dell'insegnamento degli obiettivi del sviluppamento durabile. Tonight's tweet meet is going to be about teaching sustainable development goals, which we call for short SDGs or global goals. Okay, so how can you participate in this tweet meet? I'm going to show it to you. So I'm going to change the direction of my camera. باش نبدل الديريكسيون تاع الكاميرا نتاعي so you can see it with your eyes. Why it's not working? Oh, okay. So here we go. You have your Twitter. You open your Twitter account. Okay, you open your Twitter account. Here is the GIF that says you can participate in many languages. Donc, ceci vous explique que vous êtes capable de participer à ce tweet meet dans la langue de votre choix, français, espagnol, italien. Il y a le Annika Poland, je crois, et la langue arabe, et puis le vietnamien. Ok? E il tweet meet di questa sera sarà in multilingual, sarà in tanti lingue francese, spagnolo, italiano, polonese, I think, Arabic and Vietnamian, vietnamese. So you have the choice. Avete la possibilità di partecipare in questo تويت ميت. تنجموا تشاركوا في تويت ميت هذايا باللغه اللي تختاروها، معناها ما عادتش اللغه حاجز للمشاركه في تويت ميت. بيان سور باش نعاود نقول لكم لتعليم اهداف التنميه المستدامه. It's made to introduce how to teach sustainable development goals in your official curriculum and which are the best practices to do it. Hello, Juan. I'm sorry, I cannot speak Spanish, okay? No hablo español. Lo siento. Donc, si j'oublie une langue, rappelez-moi, d'accord? كيفاش تعملوا؟ شوف سهل ياسر. How to do it? This is very, very easy. So you start with your search here, search on Twitter. You just write the hashtag. The hashtag is hashtag. Where is my hashtag? Oh, why is that? It's not working. Hey everybody. Alger. Alt GR and hashtag 3. Yeah. Okay. This is it. Alt. Let me show you. Alt and 3. And you have the hashtag. Okay. Yes, هاي فقرية اسبانيولا ما نسيتو. Okay. Lo siento, no hablo español, lo olvidado todos los españoles. Haifa. Now you write in capital letter M, S, F, T, Microsoft, E, capital letter, and then you go back with du chat C, capital letter, and then chat. Alors, vous allez écrire dans l'espace pour faire une recherche le hashtag MSFT EduChat, Microsoft EduChat. Donc, dovrete cominciare scrivendo hashtag MSFT EduChat per fare la ricerca. تكتبون Microsoft EduChat في مكان البحث. واضح؟ هايل، جيد جدا. الآن سوف ننتقل إلى المرحلة الموالية. Now we are going to move on. When you write MSFT EduChat, you will find the results. Okay? So here we are, all the results of this hashtag lately. Please join the poll. Okay, join the poll. Please give us your opinion in the poll. And you will find right now so many things. Cohen is participating. Yohan Cohen, he's my bro. I love his work, love being partner with him. Awesome partner and founder. So Amy Rosenstein, you have Angie, you have Annika, my dear It-Winning fellow. So she's wonderful educator. Here I am, and you have 14 from the finest educator ever. عندكم اليوم باش يستضيفوكم 14 من احسن الاساتذه في العالم، نقولها معناها ما نحشمش منها. So questa sera avrete hosts, sono insegnanti che sono, che cosa direi, tra i migliori insegnanti nel mondo. So dovrete essere qui, dovrete raggiungerci. okay? And how to do it? I'm going to make it easier for you. So if you would like to participate. باش نعطيكم نصيحة باش تسهل عليكم الحكاية. Je vais vous donner un petit piece of advice. شنو بالفرنسي? Une petite recommandation à suivre si vous voulez participer. Donc, try this. Try this tweet deck. Tweet deck. Okay? شبه هذه هكا. Twitter deck. Twitter deck. Okay. I think this is it. Sorry. Okay. Twitter deck. Deck. Okay. It's free, Mounir, it's free. Now you will learn how to use Twitter. C'est gratuit, hein, c'est gratuit pour les Tunisiens, pour tous mes amis sur Facebook. C'est gratuit. Alors, donc, as you can see here, you have this tweet deck. So you can over here, okay? See, you have notifications, messages, and you have here a space where you can write your hashtag, and then you can follow whatever you want. Okay? So, scrivete qui il hashtag MSFT I capital letter du chat. Okay? And then enter. Here we are. So now you can see all the posts, everything in real time written written about this hashtag, okay? So tonight 6 p.m. Tunisia time, 7 p.m. Paris and Rome time. Ce soir à 7h heure de France, heure de Paris, et puis questa sera alle 7 di Roma time. Partecipate a questo tweet meet, ok? Beh, okay, here we are, and now you can how can you participate? So here we are. Please, new tweet. Okay? Here. If you would like to just participate with something, anything you would like to share with us. Now, I'm not going to answer the question, but I will, you have here in the GIFs the question, but later, after preparing my family meal, I'm going to make it easier for you. Don't worry. We write tweet, yes, here the link. Zainab, here the link, okay? Now, if you would like to answer a question, si vous voulez répondre a une question, se volete rispondere a una questione, una domanda, cominciate il vostro tweet con il hashtag, ok? Hashtag okay, chat, is it correct? And then you can add teach SDGs also. Teach SDGs, okay? And then if you would like to start your answer, for example, if you would like to answer the first question, you start with A1 for answer number 1. Si vous voulez répondre à la première question, commencez par A1, réponse 1. Et puis répondez, écrivez votre réponse. D'accord? Se volete rispondere alla prima alla prima domanda scrivete A1 e poi scrivete la vostra la vostra risposta. Ecco, avete le question, avete le domande in tante lingue. I'm going to share them again, okay? Which of these 70 goals are the most important for you? You can answer whatever, okay? And then, I'm not going to answer right now. I'm going to write a click. I'm going to write a tweet. Be there at 6 p.m. Tunis time, 7 p.m. Egypt, Paris, Rome time. Okay? If you would like to add an image or a video or something you have created for the occasion, okay? You can do it, you can add it. And then you click on tweet. And your tweet is going to appear just here in real time. Okay? Hope everyone is... il vostro tweet sarà qui, ok? Votre tweet sera positionné ici. Vous allez le voir au top. Donc, in Turkish, Zainab, I don't speak Turkish. Sorry. Next time, inshallah. Yes, teaches the... Oui, Haifa. Vous répondez aux questions de préférence en ordre, mais sinon, il y a aucun souci, ok? Vous pouvez écrire A1 pour la première question, A6 pour la 6e question, mais ça va être affiché au fur et à mesure devant nous. N'oubliez pas de participer au poll de questions, ok? Il y a un poll, il y a un Mentimeter aussi. There is a poll, please try to answer the question to the poll, and there is a Mentimeter too. اوكي مناقشة كيفية التعلم به. عندنا سهير صديقتي من مصر، سوف تكون على ذمتكم باللغة العربية، سوف تتواصل معكم باللغة العربية. Quel lien? Non, il n'y a pas un lien. There is no link. You just use the hashtag, Haifa. For the poll, yes, for the poll, I'm searching for it. I'm going to share it. Let me see. Okay, I'm going back to my tweet, my casual tweet. Okay, tomorrow, Microsoft Edu, here we are. See? Okay. Annuler le tweet. Retweet. You can participate right now. Okay? So, this is it. Question. Later, when I'm going to finish cooking, etc., doing my chores, I'm going to be there for you, to help you out if you have any questions. I'll answer that. I have a few things to share too. Okay? And I'll be happy to help you as much as I can. Plus tard, je vais essayer après avoir préparé le dîner, etc., je vais le faire très tôt pour être libre pour vous. Si vous avez des questions, je serai là. Yes, Haifa, I posted, I shared it right now, okay? I shared it. If you, let me see, okay. If you go to TweetDeck, okay, you will see it's the Asta. Wait. See, I'll write here Microsoft Edu. Education, see. And I will find it. Okay, no. Anyway. No. Maybe I have to refresh, hit and refresh my. Anyway, I'm going to share with you the link on Facebook too. Okay, don't worry. I know we are Facebook addicted. The poll. Where is it? Dun. Please, my pleasure. I'm going to find it and I'm going to share it with you. There is also the Flipgrid. You can participate in the Flipgrid if you have something to add. I think I don't know if it's closed, but you can see us speaking and saying things. This is an awesome tool. If you would like to use in your classroom in order to push students to a qualified communication. Okay, so here we are. Thank you very much for paying attention. Questo è tutto per questo live. Ceci est tout pour ce live. إن شاء الله فهمتوا كيفاش نستعملوا كيفاش نشاركوا في التويت ميت متاع اليوم. Hopefully you have learned how to participate in the tweet meet of this of tonight. Be there, be calm, alone, come together, okay? Try to invite your friends and let's see multilingual answers, okay? And would like to see more Arabic and French posts, please. So love you everybody. Se avete una questione, una cosa da domandare, sarò qui per rispondere alle vostre domande. Non esitate. Vi amo, love you, نحبكم الناس الكل. Soyez présents, thank you very much. Merci, shukran. Maria, you can see the... Maria, if you wish, I can do it for you again. Ok? Maria, come partecipare a questo tweet meet? Ho fatto questo live, Facebook live per te, mia cara Maria. E per tutti quelli che me lo hanno domandato. So, عايشك جيهي. You go to I don't know how to speak in any language, sorry. You go to twitter.com, okay? This is your notifications. This is of course my account. You can use the tweet deck, okay? You can use the tweetdeck.twitter.com, and now you can have your notifications, your messages, and you can write over here. Il piacere è per me, Maria. Scrive qui #MSFT EduChat per fare la ricerca. Ecco, e poi vedrete che le ultime vedrete che le ultime tweets saranno posti qui, ok? Come partecipare? Ecco, avete le domande in italiano, ma li partagerò ancora una volta. E poi se volete rispondere a queste domande, eccoci qui. From the tweet deck, you can click on a new tweet, okay? Click on new tweet. You have here some space to write a new tweet, okay? Or you can use your Twitter, okay? You can click on tweet and then, okay? You can use the hashtag. How to write the hashtag? I'll say it. ALGR. Where is it? Here. ALGR. Okay, sorry. So at the same time, ALGR. Let me see. ALGR 3. Okay? And now you have the hashtag and then capital letter MSFTI du C chat. Okay? I may use it directly. You can add hashtag teach SDGs, okay? And then to answer to a question, per rispondere a una domanda, come fate? Ecco, per la prima domanda scrivete A per answer, A1, sorry, A1, e poi scrivete la vostra risposta. Quando finite, you click on Twitter, okay? So I'm not going to write an answer right now. I'm going to keep them for later. Siete all'appuntamento di questa sera alle 7 del pomeriggio, ore di Roma. Vi aspetterò per discutere domande, per discutere delle domande, voilà, a proposito di domande sull'insegnamento delle obiettivi del sviluppamento durabile. Sono veramente, mi scuso perché non ho mai preso un solo corso di italiano, ho appreso l'italiano da la Rai 1 quando sono stata piccola, non sono usando. I'm going back to the tweetmeet. Vedrò il tweetmeet, sorry. I have to go to my things. So here, let me see if something happened, okay? See? Tac, tac. Now you have the latest, here you have the latest tweets about the hashtag MSFT EduChat, okay? Because this is what I have inserted in the search. And now you have Paramit Cotton-Dillon. She's a very good friend and partner from India. So if you can prepare, potrete preparare le vostre risposte prima di cominciare e poi in un documento Word e poi fate CTRL-C, CTRL-V e click on tweets. Here we are. Okay, this is how you can participate actively. So, c'est comme ça qu'on peut participer activement. Vous pouvez préparer vos réponses en avance. D'accord? Vous pouvez préparer... il m'a dit que cette réponse existe déjà. Hein? Ok? Bon. Vous pouvez préparer vos CET, 7 p.m. CEST, hein? Summertime. Zainab. 7 p.m. CEST. Yes. So you can prepare your answers before starting in a Word document, and then you can just copy paste them so you can be on time. Okay? So here we are. Please join us. Vi prego, partecipate massivamente e poi parlate con tutti i vostri amici. So now my battery is off, so I'm going to recharge my telephone. See you later. If you need anything, just ask. I'm going to answer. Maintenant je dois partir, mon téléphone va s'éteindre. J'ai plus de batterie. Si vous avez des questions, n'hésitez pas de m'envoyer un message. Si je suis vraiment disponible, je ne vais pas hésiter de vous répondre. Non esitate di domandare anything, okay? Ask me anything if you wish. حسيلو باش نقول لكم نحبكم برشا وكهو هني ان شاء الله سهلت عليكم الحكايه. با دو كوا، سي ان بليزير، سي ان دوفوار. ان شاء الله وليتوا تعرفوا كيفاش باش تشاركوا في تويت ميت نتاع اليوم. شنو معناها تويت ميت؟ معناها نجاوبوا برا ونحاولوا نعملوا يكون ايشانج ديكسبيريونس ايتترا. باش نقول لكم باي باي. لازم نغسل معوني نطيب فطوري وبعد نرجع نخدم. باي باي.